Well, sadly for that guy right there, and Aaron Tanti, I don't know how you say his last name, so sorry if I butcher that. He's going to be out for A1, and this also comes back to a few months ago where WSX went around and he had the big crash, or a big crash right there, which obviously you never want to see. So that took him out of WSX. And then coming out now, we have this, where it's horrible quality, and I'm sorry, it's the only video you could find. You can see feet comes off, hits the front of the jump, bike lands on him, and then lands on him again, which for all intents and purposes sucks even more because you know that bike's hot. So one, running yourself into the face in the jump, you're already, hurt. Two, the bike landing on you, there's a couple 100 pounds just flopping down onto you. And then you're already hurt being hit by the bike. And then it just comes in, flop back on you. And that's the exhaust side too. So it's even worse. Like you're not going to, well, you're going to want to get that as fast off as you can, but whatever. He did say, quote, "Well, not the post I want to be doing leading into A1. Not long ago, I had a practice crash and I thought everything was okay, but when I rode a few times after and had some issues and unfortunately found out yesterday that I need to get them fixed. Devastated to say the least, but I'll be back when I can to continue the series. Thank you to everyone supporting me